Asia is the largest among the 7 continents in the world and divided into 5 geographical regions. Next are the list of geographical regions in Asia, their countries and their capitals. Central Asia regions. Country: Kazakhstan. Nur Sultan, capital. Country: Uzbekistan. Tashkent, capital. Country: Turkmenistan. Ashgabat, capital. Kyrgyzstan. Bishkek, capital. Tajikistan. Dushanbe, capital. And now, let's go to the East Asia. Country: China. Beijing, capital. Next country: Japan. Tokyo, capital. Next country: North Korea. Pyongyang, capital. Next country: South Korea. Seoul, South Korea, capital. Next country: Taiwan. Taipei, capital. Mongolia. Ulaanbaatar, capital. And now we go to South Asia. India. New Delhi, capital. Next country: Pakistan. Islamabad, capital. Bangladesh. Dhaka, capital. Next country: Nepal. Kathmandu, capital. Next country: Bhutan. Thimphu, capital. Sri Lanka. Colombo, capital. Maldives. Male, capital. Next region: Southeast Asia. Country: Indonesia. Jakarta, capital. Next country: Thailand. Bangkok, capital. Next country: Philippines. Manila, capital. Next country: Vietnam. Hanoi, capital. Myanmar. Nay Pyi Taw, capital. Cambodia. Phnom Penh, capital. Vientiane, capital. Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur, capital. Singapore. Singapore, capital. Brunei. Bandar Seri Begawan, capital. Next region, Western Asia or Middle East. Country, Saudi Arabia. Riyadh, capital. Next country, Iran. Tehran, capital. Next country, Iraq. Baghdad, capital. Israel. Jerusalem, note disputed capital. Next country, Jordan. Amman, capital. Lebanon. Beirut, capital. Syria. Damascus, capital. Turkey. Ankara, capital. Yemen, capital. Sana'a, note currently under dispute and there are two de facto capitals, Aden and Sana'a. Next country, United Arab Emirates or UAE. Abu Dhabi, capital. Next country, Qatar. Doha, capital. Afghanistan. Kabul, capital. Armenia. Yerevan, capital. Azerbaijan. Baku, capital. Bahrain. Manama, capital. Nicosia. Nicosia, note disputed capital. Georgia. Tbilisi, capital. Kuwait. Kuwait, capital. Oman. Muscat, capital. Palestine. Ramallah, note disputed capital. Russia. Moscow, note Russia is mostly located in Asia, although it is also considered a European country. Please note that the exact boundaries of these regions are not always clearly defined, and there can be some overlap between them. Also, some countries may be classified differently. Please comment below if you notice that there are some countries are not on their correct geographical regions.